It's probably, guys, the weirdest video I've ever done, but this is a bathroom base test. Because in our bathroom, when I put the flip forward this kind of angle, like that, and on the corner it sounds good, but I don't know why, but it's not even the corner. It's not even the corner, guys. You can see me in the camera, in the mirror right there. It's not even the corner, it's just in the middle. I thought it was gonna get less bass, but no, if you don't understand me, just, yeah. I'm gonna use Fluffs' intro, because it's pretty good, though. Body reveal, again. I know I've seen my body all every time, because I've never done it in face. So hot in here. I'm gonna open this door and just record this. Way higher up the volume. Oh shit. Higher up the volume. So much bass, man. End the video. Subscribe. Thank you. Worst outro of my life. Hi guys, yeah, I haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe, please. Last time I got 32 subs and now I got 31, so I might look silly that with this Santa hat. Yes, this is Santa hat. It's almost Christmas, so this is just my new intro out of the video. I'm just gonna edit this from my video recorder. Hopefully you enjoyed the video that I did. So yeah, it may be bass test, but I guess this is just gonna get like a minute. So I may look weird. I may look like Santa with a mask. Why do I have a mask? I'll tell that in another video. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully you like, I don't know what the comment, just a letter C, a comment, and a subscribe down below. Press the subscribe button now so we can hit the 40 subs, and it's almost at 2021 and it's almost Christmas. 3 days, 3 or 2 days, or 1 day till Christmas. So hopefully you get a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Peace out, dude. Hopefully you get a wonderful day, or have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, dude. Oh, what is this? Peace out, dudes. Please hit the like, please comment too, and then hit the subscribe button. Okay, dudes. Goodbye.